Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. What I am going to bring to you tonight, I am going to make some diffused water using bottled water. I'm going to use the rest of this cucumber that I had used earlier. I'm going to use mint leaves, 1 lemon, and ginger. Right now I'm going to pour about 4 bottles of water. Now I'm using this in order for you guys to see a clear picture of what I'm doing, and then I am going to place it over into a picture. Okay, I had to use about 6 bottles of water. Okay, now I'm going to cut my lemon. Stirring it all together. And you guys, I am going to let this sit overnight. Yes, I am going to let it sit overnight. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator till all the flavors come out in the water. And then once I'm finished the pitcher, I am going to continue to use this. I'm going to refill it while I have my ingredients in the pitcher. I'm going to refill it with water and let it stay overnight again so that it can finish, you know, flavoring the water. Use up its flavor. That is what I'm going to do. So this is what it's looking like. See the lemon, cucumber, mint, and ginger. Okay, you guys, I am going to place this over in the refrigerator, and thank you all so much for watching. And if you want to make this up, go ahead and make it up, because I'm going to use all types of fruits or whatever I can have since I am on the keto diet. This is how to make diffused water. This is the ingredients that I am using. Okay, you guys, I'm going to end this video, but as I always say, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload a video. Go ahead and like and share this video and tell everybody about Happy Dimples 39. Come on, tell them to join my team. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and continue to stay blessed. Be blessed. Be blessed. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.